Reese's Puffs. Eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up.
So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I fix this wig and get my hair back together after the beach ruined it. Y'all, so I'm starting off with my ball cap already on. I already did it. I'm just putting my makeup on it just to blend it and make sure it lays correctly. Here I'm just showing y'all that I cut the clips out of my wigs. It just helps the wig to lay flatter and it just makes it look more natural.
As long as you are trying to make every day count. I feel like I can sense you sometimes. The world's playing games with my mind, but God knows that I'm fighting.
Right now I'm just parting it so I can, because I have a middle part, so I'm just making sure the part is straight and I'm about to get the baby hairs together.
But you need to know that you didn't really lose me. I'm always with you every step of the way. Today's a new day, you know you shouldn't waste it. I'm not asking you to forget about me, but think about everyone that's still there, still there.
So now I'm about to sew it to the back of my head just to make sure it doesn't move. I'm going to sew it in the back and then sew it in the middle. Y'all can see by me messing up, I am not a professional. I am still learning just like y'all, so any tips are welcome.
You can't count on me. I got places I need to be. Namely on my couch, super glued right now. But it's really urgent. Hyrule needs a champion, and I got my best friend next to me. She's all I need. Undivided loyalty. Yeah, I'm talking about my doggy. She's all I need. Ooh.
wondering what products I use to do this, I will list them down in the description box below, so don't even worry about it.
I got my best friend next to me. She's all I need, undivided loyalty. Yeah, I'm talking about my kitty. She's all I need. Gonna end up here, not me for sure.
You're the best out of all of them. I read every letter you sent, even when you left town again. Been through hell and then back again. And you're never too serious. They think that you sleep too much, but they don't know you like I do. Wanna sit here and talk with you, as if nothing else mattered, as if nothing else matters, as if nothing else mattered, as if nothing else mattered, as if nothing else mattered. How many girls chasing after you? If I left town again, would you come through? I don't know where we'll go. Can we grow? This is slow, as if nothing else matters. Can we fly? You've got time, and I've got miles. I've got miles.
Hard to find nowadays, like $20 and stuck to your clothes. I'm sorry I missed out on holidays, I was just plotting on spinning the globe. I'm sorry that most of my problems are brought up whenever you ready to go. I've been tossed out and dropped in my low, I've been brought out and talking for sure. Caught in their vibe and it changed like the wind when it blows.
Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this helped a little bit, and thanks for coming. My name is baack. If you're new here, if you're not new here, welcome, and bye y'all.
Where to go? Where do I start with things that I know. Got a cold heart, but you warm this soul. Angels around me, I'm surrounded in gold.